So friends, now in this video I'll show you how to make intro maker to our video starting intro. So for that, first you need to go to Play Store and download Pixel Flow Intro Maker and Text Maker Animator. So now you need to install that app. It is installing. So friends, our Pixel Flow is installed. So I'm opening that app. Come like this. So it takes few minutes. You need to allow the permission here. Okay, allow, and so it will show some designs like this. Normal, if you are, it's general. Here animated design technology. So suppose mine is technology, right? So here you need to search technology. See here technology is there. These all are technology. You'll have some free also. You can choose the. Suppose I choose here. Here preview will be load like this. It will come. So I'll use this. So it's loading. First you need to download this. Else you can just cancel. Yes, you need to tap like this and play. And next export like this. So first the Pixel Flow. Here first you need to write your channel name, which is my channel name is Knowledge is Technology, but normally I'll write Sai Kalyan. Sai Kalyan. And down, if you want anything you can write it, and if you want you can change the text color also into like this, the whatever the background is there. Okay, like this you can change it. And now, and if you want to move this also you can move. If you want it need to be bigger or smaller, it's medium. Next, if you want to move left, right, and down, front, like this. And now if you want to change your font, Sai Kalyan font, if you want to change, here different kinds of fonts also will be. Suppose this one, if I choose set the setting font, see Sai Kalyan, like this it will be okay for me. This font is okay. And now background. From internal storage, if you have any background you can keep, and you have any audio which is feed in your phone, that one also you can keep. Now if you want to play this, just play. See, it will be like this, Sai Kalyan presents. Suppose if you don't want this, go to background and select your dynamic, and so many kinds of different backgrounds will be. Suppose I'll choose this, right? See, some decorative it is. So okay, I want this background. If you want here graduate, like this, all colors also will be. So I want this, and just okay, I'll keep my channel name only. Yes friends, sorry. So I kept the Knowledge is Technology, and here I'll write my name, Sai Kalyan. Okay, now just keep it like this. See how beautiful it is. Now if you want play, see, it will show you like this. Actually I want little my image size to be decreased, so I'll keep in this box. And now if you'll play, see, like this it will come. Okay, now if you want export, and another thing I forgot to say, if you want to delete this Pixel Flow means you need to pay some money, but let it be. And now if you want to export this video, actually I'll choose 108p only. It takes some time, but the video quality will be so much nice. So it's downloading. It takes some time to download. So friends, it has been completed. Now if you want to share to your WhatsApp or Instagram, Twitter, and if you want to copy this link, and if you want to share to someone also, you can do that. So this will be feed on your internal storage. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to give comments. Thanks for watching.